Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about a cell organelle known as mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell or cell energy currency. It can be seen only with a special microscope known as electron microscope. It is a sac-like structure found in the cytoplasm of the cell. It can be thread-like or spherical in shape. It has two compartments, an inner compartment and an outer compartment. The substance present in inner compartment is known as matrix and is surrounded by a membrane known as inner membrane. This inner membrane has many folds known as cristae. The spaces between these folds are continuous in the outer compartment, and this outer compartment is surrounded by an membrane known as outer membrane. These are smooth and has no projections in it. The inner membrane, the matrix and the elementary particles in the mitochondria have large number of enzymes and other required proteins for respiration and energy production. Now, I will explain you about mitochondria with the help of a diagram. Okay, here is a rough diagram of mitochondria. Now, as I have said earlier, it has two compartments, inner compartment and an outer compartment. Okay. The substance present in the inner compartment is known as matrix. This is the matrix present in the inner compartment. This matrix is surrounded by a membrane known as inner membrane. This is the inner membrane. Okay. Now, this inner membrane has many folds. As you can see here, these are the folds, and these folds are known as cristae. What they are called? They are called as cristae. Now, the spaces found between these cristae, these spaces here in the cristae are continuous in the outer compartment, and the outer compartment is surrounded by a membrane known as outer membrane. This is the outer membrane. As we know that this is the outer compartment, and this outer compartment is surrounded by a membrane, as you can see here with the green line. This is outer membrane. This outer membrane is smooth and has no projections. Now, moving on to the function, it helps in respiration and energy productions. How it helps in respiration? The inner membrane, matrix and elementary particles in the mitochondria have large enzymes and other required proteins. Hence, helps in respiration and energy production. Helps in respiration and secondly in energy production.